let us find the angle between the two straight lines. Angle between two straight lines having the slope, one second, angle between two straight lines having the slopes as m1 and m2. So, their slopes are m1 and m2 with slopes. So, let us derive this derivation. Now, so let x axis, y axis, intersection point is origin, x and y. So, consider two straight lines. So, this straight line is making an angle of alpha with the positive direction of x axis. So, tan alpha is nothing but m1. Now, take another straight line which is making an angle of beta with the positive direction of x axis. So, you will get tan beta is equals to, consider it as another slope as m2. So, what is our question? Angle between two straight lines with slopes m1 and m2. So, we need this angle theta. Fine. So, we are going to find out what is tan theta. Not okay, fine. Tan of angle between them we can find. Okay, theta, but generally we will find tan of angle between them. Now, if I consider this one as 5, so the whole angle theta plus 5 is equals to 180. Theta plus 5 is equals to 180 degrees. So, I can write 5 as 180 minus theta. This is one condition. Now, this is a triangle. Let me make it as, mark it as ABC is a triangle. So, angle 5 is the exterior angle for this triangle. Now, my beta will be nothing but 180 minus beta. So, exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So, I can write 5 as alpha plus 180 minus beta, right. So, 5 is alpha plus 180 minus beta. So, these both are 5 only for you, angle 5. So, I can equate these two. So, from this I will get 180 minus theta is equals to alpha plus 180 minus beta. So, both the sides 180 gets cancelled, or theta is equals to beta minus alpha. Okay. So, theta is nothing but beta minus alpha. Now, you know the form, we need tan theta value now. So, tan theta is nothing but, shall we write tan theta? Because theta we need, let me write tan theta. So, theta is beta minus alpha is tan of beta minus alpha. Now, you know tan A minus B formula, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So, using that formula, tan beta minus tan alpha divided by 1 minus tan beta into tan alpha. So, now tan beta is nothing but m2 and tan alpha is m1. m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 into m1. This is tan theta value. Now, we will get two cases. What are the two cases means? Now, if theta is obtuse, 5 is obtuse, theta will be acute. When theta is acute, you will get the positive angle. Slope is positive. When theta will become obtuse, you will get slope as negative, angle between them as, that is slope is negative. Sorry, I will start. Okay. We will get two cases. If this angle is obtuse, the angle between two lines will become acute. So, the answer will be positive. If this will become acute, the angle between them will become obtuse. So, you will get negative answer. So, that is why we will use tan theta is equals to modulus of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. So, the modulus includes both negative and positive values. So, the angle between two straight lines having the slopes m1 and m2 is given by tan theta is equals to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 m1. Now, using this formula also, you can verify the condition for the two lines to be parallel and perpendicular. So now already we learned, okay, from this we will derive tan theta is equals to, we got the formula, modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. When the two lines are parallel, then the angle between them is 0. So what is the condition we learned? When two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Shall we check? When two lines are parallel, the angle between them is 0. Tan 0 is equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So which implies tan 0 is 0, m1 minus m2 is 0, which implies m2 is equals to m1 or m1 is equals to m2. Condition for the two lines to be parallel. Now condition for the two lines to be perpendicular, we learned product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. So we will verify that. So angle between them will be 90 degrees. So tan 90 is equals to the formula m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Now tan 90 is infinity. So infinity is equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So when we will get infinity? When the denominator is 0, we will get infinity. So which implies 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 0, or the product of the slopes m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1.